Hey, what's happening everyone? This is the Russian Fazbear, and welcome to a video of this Casablanca Century 9000 in antique brass. Now, the Century 9000 is one of Casablanca's lesser common models. It isn't exactly a limited run model like the Columbia 500 or the Commodore Vanderbilt 250, despite it having a number and its model name, as I don't believe only 9,000 centuries were made. I believe it's more on par with the earlier Cambridges, which were called the Cambridge 13,000, where the number in the model name is there for effect or relates to the model number in some way. I don't really know. But this model is somewhat similar to the Cambridge, as it is, as far as I know, the only other model that uses those ornate style blade brackets. And it also has the same switch cap of a Victorian, and it also has a very ornate style bottom plate. And I believe this fan was introduced around the same time as the Cambridge. This one in particular is from April of 1983, and it is a slumber quiet model, and it has a tassel on it. It has just some regular oak blades on it. Top plate is kind of dome shaped, which is interesting. And as far as I know, the Century 9000 was only available in the years 1983 and 1984. Alright, now we'll go ahead and ignite power. And it is going to sway back and forth a little bit because, you know, it's mounted Hunter original style for the case of this testing location. And the SQ is set to as slow as it can go. Hey, come on. Got to get it going. Got to get a bit of a kickstart going there, because, you know, minimum speed on slumber quiet sometimes doesn't have enough torque to get itself going, I guess. Also, the air conditioning is running right now, so I don't know if there's any wind resistance on the blades that's kind of holding it back as well. This ceiling fan came from Jack Connor about a month ago now. It's in great shape, good bearings, and working SQ. And this is, you know, just your basic aesthetic low. Very nice. Now we'll turn it up a bit. Now we're around more of a functional low. Yeah, the Century 9000 is a pretty cool model because of the ornate design and the also somewhat slim sideband style. And also, I've always really liked those Cambridge-style ornate blade brackets, so it is kind of cool to see that they use those on at least one other model. And this model was available in antique brass, polished brass, and whitened brass. It may have been both white and polished and white and antique brasses. Not exactly sure on that. But I do know that antique brass is the most common finish found, and I believe polished brass is the least common, and then whitened brass is in the middle. Turn it up some more. And some more still. And all the way up. And like all Casablancas, it's very powerful and blows tons of air. Also, for an 83 SQ model, it does move pretty fast, as some of my other ones are a little on the slower side compared to like SQ and solid state models from like the late 70s and early 80s. Turn it off. And there you go. This is an antique brass Casablanca Century 9000. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye, everyone.